Hi everyone. Today let us draw the diagram of digestive system.
Here I am drawing the rough diagram of a digestive system. What is digestive system? The process of breaking down the food into nutrients which gives us energy, help us to grow and protects us from diseases. When we eat food from our mouth, there is a saliva present in the mouth region which soften the food and it is easier to move down the food. We can swallow easily food. Yes, it is passed down into a stomach region and finally to the small intestine. During digestion, there is another process involved, that is creating waste to be eliminated from a body. Some waste materials are also produced which have to be removed from a body. The process of removal of solid undigested food from the body in the form of feces is called egestion. Which are the organs that are help in the digestion of food, that is involved in the process of digestion? Which are that? The main organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe or esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. So try to consume a healthy food so that you get a good energy to grow, to study, to do work, isn't it? If we are eating healthy food, then we are strong enough to fight against the diseases. So eat healthy food, stay healthy. You have to eat a balanced diet which contains green vegetables, fruits, proteins, carbohydrates, and you have to eat less sugar contents of food. Drinking water also is very important. Drink water at least 8 glasses per day to keep your organ healthy. Please don't eat junk food. It does not give you any energy. Sleeping is also very important. Sleep at least 8 hours so that what you eat food, it is used properly by our body. So this was a short brief explanation of a digestive system. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.